back. I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the October 2019 Simply Earth. So before we get into this, I do want to tell you briefly about Simply Earth, but first I want to say thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you. And guys, don't forget we do have 2 active giveaways on our channel, one ending October 4th, and that is the makeup and skincare giveaway with 2 different winners. And then we have ending on October 13th, the giveaway in the Boxy Luxe unboxing. Both will be linked down below, so if you have not entered, go ahead and do so. Excuse me. But I'm going to tell you all about Simply Earth, and then we'll get into the October box. So Simply Earth is essential oils. But the good thing about Simply Earth is every month you get a box and you get 4 different oils and you get different recipes, and it's just really awesome and fun. And a great way, if you are really into essential oils, it kind of guides you, with different things you can make and different things you can do, and even just as simple as different diffuser blends, or making candles or soaps or just different things. It's always really fun, and it gives you step-by-step instructions. And the good thing about it too is that they will provide you with most of the items you need to make the projects. Now, if you have not signed up for Simply Earth, I'm going to put a link down below. If you use that link and the promo code SouthernMomFree, you will get, for $39, because that is how much this costs every month, your first box. You will also get a big bonus box that is going to have a lot of products that you will need to do the different projects in your boxes, like carrier oils, soy wax, and just some different things, some roller balls and whatnot. So you'll get that big bonus box, you'll get your first month's box, and you'll get a $40 gift card, like e-gift card for future purchases on their website. So essentially you're paying $39 for the monthly box, the big bonus box, and a $40 e-gift card for their site for a future purchase. So I think that is just an amazing deal. And it's just an amazing box. So like I said, especially if you are into essential oils and different things, it's definitely a box you want to look into. Also, one thing I love about Simply Earth is they give back. They give back 13% of their profits to different charities every month to end human trafficking. And I think that is so amazing. I love boxes that give back, but there are certain causes and things that I'm just like, wow, to hear that they're doing that, I just think is amazing. But let's go ahead and get in here and see what we've got for October 2019. That is still hard but easy to say at the same time. I can't believe it is about to be October. So you get kind of like a little sneak peek of the October box. All right, so this is what we see when we open it. And this is always included. This is like little stickers, because like I said, in your big bonus box with your first order, you could get like little roll-on balls, different little bottles where you could make different blends, just things like that. And then, like I said, other carrier oils like almond oil, coconut oil, things like that. But you have stickers for your recipes. So if you make something and you put it in a little bottle, you've got a recipe sticker, so you know what it is. And then we have our recipe cards, and then other items in the box, plus the 4 different oils. So let me find here on the card. Oh, well, first we have a sneak peek into November's box. It is Bath and Shower. Next month's box is bath themed. Even if you don't love baths, we will have recipes that are great in the shower as well. Ever hear of a milk bath? They're super nourishing for your skin, and we'll be exploring them next month. The oils for next month are going to be cinnamon, eucalyptus, lime, and tranquility blend. The bonus item is going to be whole milk powder in a tea bag. And the recipes to look forward to are 2 milk baths, a chai tea bath, shower steamers. I love shower steamers. A roll-on and diffuser recipes. That's awesome. All right, so this month's charity is 5 Stones. 5 Stones is a nonprofit making a difference by raising awareness of the magnitude of sex trafficking in Simply Earth's home state of Wisconsin. Their 5 stones of action are awareness, education, prevention, networking, and collaboration to bring an end to modern-day slavery. Each month, Simply Earth partners with a different organization making a difference to stop human trafficking. Thanks for making a difference with us. So there is that right there. And then, so here we have a note from Katie. She is one of the owners. And says, "Hi friend, I love the smell of fall, and nothing says fall like snuggling up under a blanket next to a naturally scented candle. I hope you have as much fun making this box as I did planning it. I'm loving the fall diffuser blend running next to me as I write this. I've shared extra tips for each recipe on our blog. For example, the DIY aromatherapy rice bag recipe makes a great gift. And then it's talking a little, I don't want to give too much away. I hope you enjoy making your home toxin-free with this month's box." And then if you have any questions, you email help@simplyearth.com. So that is awesome. Much love, Katie. Awesome. Okay, so then the back side of each card is one of the recipes. So first, I want to say our oils. We have a Balsam Fir, 100% pure essential oil. We have a Focus, a Sweet Orange, which is one of my favorites, and Cassia. And again, like I said, all of their oils are 100% pure essential oils. So here, the first card, the first recipe is a aromatherapy rice bag. And it is, you need 1 clean sock and 1 to 3 cups of rice. And then you're going to take 10 drops of the essential oil and 10 drops of the focus oil. And then you're going to measure the right amount of rice you'll need for filling the sock halfway. Pour the rice into a bowl, add the essential oils and mix. Pour the rice into the sock. And it says sew or use fabric glue to seal the sock closed. And then whenever you need to heat it, it says, or to use it, you heat it in the microwave for about 1 minute. It says you may need to experiment on time depending on the size of the sock you use and apply to sore muscles. So this is 110% up my alley. And I will be doing this. And it's crazy because my parents have always talked about a rice sock, and they've always had a rice sock, just never with essential oils in it. So I am definitely going to be doing this right here. All right, and then we have a Focus Lip Balm. So for this, you need beeswax, coconut oil, almond oil, and see, those are things that would be in your big bonus box. 10 drops of the Focus Essential Oil Blend and 2 lip balm containers. And that looks like we got those right here. So like I said, they sometimes do send the extras like that may not be in the big bonus box or something. The beeswax would have been, that is something that does come in the big bonus box. So melt the beeswax and the coconut oil together in a double boiler or in the microwave using 15-second intervals. Remove from heat, add almond oil and the essential oils, stir to combine, quickly pour into lip balm tubes. Allow the balm to cool completely before using. It says you will have some extra lip balm that won't fit in the tubes. Feel free to save this extra balm in a sealable container. You can remelt and then pour it into another container for future use. So that is awesome. All right. Oh, and this is calling my name. I'm gonna have to get a rollerball out because joint pain roll-on. It's 2 drops of the orange essential oil, 3 drops of the balsam fir, 1 drop of the cassia, and then you need 10 ml of the almond oil and a 10 ml rollerball or roll-on bottle. So you just add everything. The oils swirl to mix. You fill the rest of the way with the almond oil, and then it says to use, apply the blend to areas of joint and arthritis pain. So it's like this box was made for me. And then we have cassia and balsam fir candle. So you need half a cup of soy wax, a tablespoon of beeswax, 1 tablespoon of a solid coconut oil, 30 drops of the balsam fir, 10 drops of the cassia. You need 1 wick, and then you need a 2 to 3 ounce jar or similar container. That is something that you will just have to kind of find. Sometimes some of the stuff you may need to find at home. They did include the wick. So you're going to melt the wax, the soy wax, the beeswax, and the coconut oil. Once it has melted, remove from heat, add essential oil, store for 30 seconds. Dip the bottom of the wick into the melted wax to adhere it to the bottom of the container. So you'll just kind of get a little wax on there, put it in the bottom. Prop the wick upright and pour the wax into the container. Allow the candle to cool completely. Trim the wick to 1/4 inch in height, and then burn the candle within sight and away from flammable objects, children, and pets. So definitely sounds like a fall candle. And then we have a fall diffuser blend. So this is where, again, in the big bonus box, you would have gotten like another bottle where you could make this blend and put it in there so you would have it ready to go. But it is 1 drop of the focus essential oil, 1 drop of the orange, 1 drop of the cassia, 1 drop of the balsam fir, and a 5 milliliter blend bottle. So you're going to add the essential oils to the diffuser, diffuse in an open room. Love the blend. Create a master blend with a 5 milliliter bottle. Bonus from your bonus box using 25 drops of each. So if you just do the blend regularly, it's 1 drop of each. If you want to make it to have ready to go, that is when you do 25 drops of each into the 5 milliliter bottle, and then from that point you'll just use 1 to 3 drops at the time. So super awesome fall blend. And then the final project is another candle, and it's the cassia and orange candle. So basically you need everything that you needed for the other candle, except this is going to be 30 drops of the orange and 10 drops of the cassia. And you're going to do everything the same as the other candle, as far as you're going to melt everything, you're going to dip the wick in, you're going to pour everything in, and then you have another amazing candle. So I do want to smell the focus oil, this one right here. Like I said, the sweet orange is one of my favorites. I've smelled the balsam fir, but I'm just curious. Oh, that smells good. Cardamom, frankincense, eucalyptus, and sweet orange. That smells really good. So, we did get some soy wax here also, because like I said, the coconut oil, solid, the almond oil, some of those carrier oils will be in the big bonus box. But like I said, I will put a link down below, as well as that promo code Southern Mom Free. If you have not signed up, you can go ahead and sign up. The box is $39 a month, but you would get the box, the big bonus box, and a $40 e-gift card for a future purchase. So that's amazing for $39. And this month's box just is perfect for me with the rheumatoid arthritis and everything I have going on. So I'm super excited to do a couple of these projects and make a fall candle, and this box is awesome. The theme this month is amazing. Sounds like November is going to be all amazing as well, especially with shower steamers. So like I said, all of that information will be down below. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.